Food does well in the coldest parts of the fridge. This statement isn't true for all foods, because, when kept in the cold, certain foods might lose their nutritional content, flavor, and texture. You can ensure that foods maintain their highest quality and flavor when it comes time to consume them by knowing the best ways to store them. 1. Onion. Onions shouldn't be refrigerated for a number of reasons. First, the moisture in the refrigerator can lead to mushy onions and the formation of mold. Instead of a cold, wet area, onions prefer a cool, dry one. Onion texture and flavor are also changed by cold temperatures. An onion gets sweeter when it is refrigerated because starches are converted to sugars. Although this may seem delicious, it lessens the onion's natural flavor character and reduces its adaptability to a variety of culinary applications. 2. Garlic. Garlic absorbs the flavor and texture of green shoots when refrigerated, which changes the flavor. The overall quality of the garlic is impacted by the growth of mold, which is promoted by the cold and moist atmosphere. Garlic's distinctive flavor can also be lost by chilling. The natural sugars in garlic can be changed into starches by the cold, giving it a weaker flavor. This lessens the garlic's fragrant properties, which make it a staple in cooking. 3. Honey. Honey that has been refrigerated may crystallize more quickly. Honey's texture changes to a gritty consistency due to the sugars in the honey crystallizing in colder temperatures. Storing honey at room temperature slows down this crystallization process, preserving its smooth and liquid consistency. Honey's ability to absorb moisture from the air, or its hygroscopic characteristic, is another important aspect. Humidity is introduced via refrigeration, which may dilute honey and change its flavor. Honey maintains its original flavor and freshness when stored in a cold, dry location. 4. Bread. Bread that is refrigerated generally works against you. Bread that is kept in the refrigerator ages more quickly. Bread with a dry and rough texture crystallizes more quickly in colder temperatures due to the starch. The natural enemy of bread is moisture. Humidity from refrigeration causes your loaf to become soggy. The refrigerator ruins flavors as well. Bread absorbs scents from its surroundings like a sponge. It may taste and smell weird if stored with other goods. To retain its original flavor, don't store it in the refrigerator.